Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the fastest way to get the brand new Mariana Trench map and Fish It. So there are actually two ways to get there. The first method is to head to the mutation cellar on the Fisherman Island, this one. Just go enter it like this, and once you're inside, just go forward like this, and then just turn this one, and then just tap on enter to the Mariana Trench, this one, like this. And then in here a shortcut scan will play like this. It's so cool. And after that you will arrive at the Mariana Trench, where you can start fishing right away. And I think this cutscene is so cool like this. And okay, you successfully arrive at the Mariana Trench like this. And then, but if you want the fastest method, here's the trick. I want to back to the fisherman first, like this. The fastest method is very easy. First, just open settings, and then just tap on home island, this one. Just open it, and then next just make the Mariana Trench become your spawns like this. In here you don't need the full index, so you can just use it directly. And then after that, just tap on the Roblox icon on the top left corner, this one, and then next just tap on respawn like this. Tap on respawn, and just like that you will be teleported directly to the Mariana Trench instantly like this. No cutscene, no waiting, just a quick teleport straight to the new map. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you.